In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer all your content from your old iPhone to your new one. There are two very easy ways existing, and I'll begin with the more convenient one. For that method, you don't need a Mac or PC, you just need your old and new iPhone. And because it is that easy, we have to face some requirements. The first one is that both devices have to run iOS 11 or above. So to be able to use that way, your old iPhone has to be at least a 5S. If that shouldn't be the case, you can skip the video to here when I present you the second way. The second requirement for the first method is that your new iPhone has to be in the setup mode. If that shouldn't be the case, you just have to reset the iPhone. The last thing you have to do is to activate Bluetooth on your old iPhone. If you would start to set up your new iPhone now, your old one should show you a notification. After hitting continue on your old iDevice, you'll have to scan that pattern. If your display should be correct, you could also switch to a normal code. After pairing the iPhones with each other, you'll have to adjust some little settings. Then your old iPhone should start to send all its data to your new one. Depending on the amount of data on your old iPhone, the whole sending process could take 1 to 2 hours. And after that, it still has to download the apps. But a very cool thing about this method is that you'll be signed in into most of them automatically. So for the second method, we need our all favorite program iTunes. By the way, this method would also work with iCloud, but I doubt that all of you guys upgraded your online storage, because I don't know a single person who did that. So the first thing you have to do is to connect your old iPhone to your Mac or PC. Then you'll open up iTunes and create a backup for that iPhone. When iTunes is finished, you'll connect your new one. If that new iPhone should be in the setup mode, iTunes will offer you the possibility to restore to a backup. Even if that method is the only working one for users of iPhone 5 or below, it unfortunately isn't that reliable. So after working with that method, you should check if every file made it to your new phone. I hope I've helped you with this tutorial. If that should be the case, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and maybe you're also interested in some of those videos. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!